Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, what we are going to be doing today, and I am so excited to share with you guys, is going to be a little bit different compared to last year's theme, which I had did a farmhouse, and this year I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I decided to do a bohemian Christmas tree theme, so it will be a lot of neutrals in here. So yeah, so I hope you stay tuned so you guys can let me know how you like my Christmas tree setup. But so yeah, so thanks guys. Okay, I know it looks like I'm unorganized here, but what I actually did was I untangled all the lights, just to make sure that every light bulb was working before I put this around my Christmas tree. And I'm just going to do this until I get dizzy, because I wrap the whole Christmas tree all the way till I get to the top, and then once I'm at the top I go back around all the way to the bottom. So it's like pretty much a double wrapping of lights. I love a whole bunch of lights on my Christmas tree. I don't know about you guys, but it just makes it look more brighter and merrier for me, I guess. But so yeah, that's what we're going to be doing here. All right, so once I already have the lights ready, me and Audrina are just going to start getting the ornaments ready, so that way it'd just be easier for us to get to it, as in hanging our ornaments, rather just doing one by one. And let me tell you guys, I'm so thankful for her, because I did not realize I had bought so many ornaments and this took forever. And so that is why I also had to speed things up, because yeah, we were here for a long time. Even she had just got tired, and we were just, I guess we were just so anxious to start putting up the ornaments, really. All right, so before we put the ornaments on the Christmas tree, I just wanted to put this burlap that I purchased on Amazon. Everything that I purchased on Amazon, I will link it down below. So it's just very cute, and I just really like the burlap look. So yeah, so we're just gonna place this in before we start applying all these ornaments. So yeah. Oh guys, look at my baby. She is growing up so fast, and I'm just so thankful for her for helping me with this Christmas tree, because otherwise it would take forever and all night putting this up. But so now I'm just going to put on some cotton balls that I made myself. I DIY'd them. So I'm just going to place this in. I just thought it would just give it also somewhat like a farmhouse look, as well with the bohemian. So I thought it would be cool to add this to it. All right, so once I'm done hanging the stockings, I actually use these adhesive hangers that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Hopefully they are strong enough once my stockings are filled, but until then we shall see. And speaking of stockings, look how cute these are that I purchased off Amazon. I believe they were like 5 for $20, but I really like them. It has a natural neutral color, and I just love the fabrics, like a burlap fabric. So fits right into the theme, but I will leave everything in the description box down below in case you guys are interested. And this video is not affiliated in any type of shape or form. I purchased everything with my own money, as including this star for my tree topper. It was also a bohemian tree topper. So yeah, like I said, I will leave everything down below. All right, so once I'm done cleaning my mirror, I can finally put up my seasonal wreath on here, which I do in every season. As you've seen before, I just took down my Thanksgiving wreath from here, and I always make them from Dollar Tree because it's just more affordable, and you can just pretty much do it yourself. And like I said, do this seasonal. So yeah, once I'm done here, that's just a way to get started into the living room as well, besides putting up the Christmas tree. And then I'm just going to tidy up the living room. I know it's a bit of a mess, but like I said, I was doing DIYs in here. I made my own wreath. I also made my own cotton balls, or cotton, that I also put in my Christmas tree. So that's why it is a little bit messy, because this is where I normally do my DIYs, is on the living room floor. And yes, of course, if you haven't noticed, I did get some brand new couches. So I think I've had them for about a month already, and I am absolutely loving them. Compared to my last couches, as you've seen before, they were already just beaten up and ready for some new ones. And so yeah, I really like these, and they're just very comfy, and it came in the perfect time for Christmas and the holidays. So yeah, so moving along to cleaning the TV, so that way I can just put a little bit of decor, Christmas decor on here. Not too much, just because I wasn't sure how exactly I wanted it to do it. But you'll see how I just rearrange some decor on here. I did take down the candle holder from here with the lantern, and I ended up putting the candle on top of the candle holder. You'll see further on in the video what I'm talking about. But again, I do rearrange it all. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. All right, so I also purchased this at Dollar Tree, which was a good deal for me. I just like to have candies out in the living room for your family or for whoever. This is just a great fun way to have a little snack while watching a movie or chit-chatting or whatever it might be. So I just like to incorporate this as well in the living room as my Christmas decor. And all of this is a mint chocolate. And how cute are these as well? These candle holders I also got from Dollar Tree. And they also even have the glitter tea light candles, which was so cute. So I will also be putting this where the TV's at. And this is where I was talking about the candle holders. I know I put the candle on top of my candle holder, but the way my anxiety is, I feel like, Adriana or someone might just tip it over when the candle is lit. And so I just thought I would remove the candle from the candle holder and just put my lantern back up there, and then put the candle just on the bottom next to the TV, if I'm making any type of sense, which I'll show you further on in the video. So here is what I was talking about. I just put the candle on the TV stand, rather on top of the candle holder. That way my anxiety is at ease. But so yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.